Today I'm going to work on this Green Mountain Grill. It's the Daniel Boone edition wood pellet smoker. One of the common issues with this is the igniter that's going out, and today I'm going to replace it. First off, we need to start. Remove the inner components so we can get to the igniter. And it helps to lift this out at a little bit of an angle. This is where the igniter is. Right in here. You got to go through that tube. Okay, so I'll get started. We've got everything moved out of the way. So I'm going to grab the igniter and pull it through. Now before I did this, I have the wires disconnected from it so I can pull. I'm going to need to pull the igniter out and the wiring through this tube. So the best way is get the pliers, wiggle on it a little bit, pull on it, feed the wires through. So here's the old one, and the new one is a updated ceramic version, and we're going to go ahead and get that installed. So we're going to feed these wires down through the tube. And then shove our igniter into place, and you can hear that little click there. Feel it is in solid. So we'll go back down here to our wires. But they just got fed through, as you can see. They've got a protective coating on it. We're gonna remove that, or just actually you're gonna shove that down out of the way here so we can get them plugged in. And plug it in, you can hear the little snap. And we're going to shove that coating back over there. And that's it. We just need to put the grill back together. All right, now we got the new igniter installed in the Green Mountain Grill Daniel Boone edition. We're ready to smoke a turkey. All right, now we got the new igniter installed in Pat's grill, and he's going to fire it up and try it out.
I'm confident. I bought this grill locally about 2 years ago. We've had some issues with igniters, but the company has been very willing and able to help troubleshoot and provide replacement igniters under warranty. Does a fantastic job of smoking, grilling, barbecuing. So far, I've really been pleased. So pellets for this wood pellet grill are available at your local major retail places. This is what they look like. This particular brand is called Pit Boss Competition, and it consists of a combination of hickory, maple, and apple woods, all compressed into pellets. That's the auger, moving the chips to the fire pot. The igniter should be warming up. The whole sequence takes about 15-20 minutes to get up to temperature. Step 2, the fan is kicked on. Fanning the flame. Step 3, last step in the startup.
Now I can see that now we're smoking, and so the repair was a success, and we're ready to do some cooking.